Today we are making the skillet Arabic Kunafa, and this is the ingredients. It's very simple and we will try to make it as fast as we can. This is a sweet cheese and this is the mozzarella sweet cheese. We are going to mix those together and half of it. And this is the shredded phyllo dough. It's like vermicelli, and we are going to crush it and mix it with the ghee or butter. It's your choice, either ghee or butter. And we are going to put some of this color, a little bit of this color, to give the orange color, the original Kanafeh orange color. The thing we are going to do is to crush the phyllo dough. I'm trying to open it. We don't need all of this amount because we are going to use this skillet. So I will make like half of this one. If it is frozen, it will be better to crush and easier, but it's okay, we can do it. And we will save the rest for another time. Okay, this is fair enough. Now we are going to add some ghee and butter. I will use both. Like 1 tablespoon of ghee and 1 tablespoon of the butter, and we will figure out later if it's enough or not. Maybe we are going to add more. We will see now. And we need to use our hand, but we need to wear gloves. Before start the mixing, I have to go to check my baby. She's watching her favorite channel and enjoying. And we need to put also like half teaspoon of this, or less than half teaspoon, to give the authentic Kunafa color. And we need to use our hand to mix it very well. It's the main thing. I think we are going to add more ghee. It needs to be mixed really good. This step is very important. I will add like half tablespoon of the ghee. And also some of the color, because I like the color to be obvious more than this. Actually, this is the way how I make a Kunafa. I keep measuring things and maybe add a little bit of this and a little bit of that. This is my way. Now it's really mixed well. What we are going to do next, yeah, it's mixed well. Now we are going to coat Now we are going to coat the skillet really good with the whole amount, with the fair amount, not necessarily the whole amount. And to press it very well with your hand. We need to press it very well, and we can put a little more. You keep putting layer by layer and press it until the desired, thickness. Because some people like it thick, some people like it thin. I think this is enough. It's pressed really well. This is enough. Okay. Now I will use the leftover to make a cupcake kunafa. The same thing, we have to put in every cup and press it really well. Maybe I have to put in the... No. It's okay? In the center, because I don't have the enough. Okay, now in the meantime we are going, I will use the same bowl in order not to have so many dishes to wash. Okay, we will use half of this. It's the sweet mozzarella. It's especially for dessert. We are going to use half of this mozzarella, sweet mozzarella, almost half. And also half of this sweet cheese. Baby enjoying her favorite TV show. And we will mix both really good. Maybe we need more. I think we need more. And we will spread it over the first layer. So the second layer is the cheese. and don't make it just make what I'm going to say, to leave a space between the edges and the cheese in order not to burn. You know what I mean? That we have to leave a space, not to put it on the edge. I hope it will be like this. The mozzarella make it Now we finished with the skillet kunafe, but for the cupcake kunafe we are going to add the second layer of the filo. So the first layer was the filo, the second layer cheese, the third layer again is the filo dough. That's enough. That's enough. But those will go to the oven, and we are going to do this on the stove. Okay, the skillet, we will turn the stove medium heat, and we will put the skillet on the medium heat. We need to keep moving it, not to keep it in the same position all of the time. Okay, now we are keep on moving it from one side to the other side. Once it start moving like a whole piece, we will cover it and put it in a low heat in order to for the cheese to melt. Sugar syrup, I don't need to make a new one. The measurement is every cup of water I use 1.5 cup of sugar. Some people go for double the amount, like 1 cup of water and 2 cups of sugar, but for me I like it lighter, so I use 1 cup of 1 cup of water and 1.5 cup of sugar and a little bit of the blossom water, some blossom water, or to squeeze a little bit of lemon, but I squeeze a little bit of lemon. Keep changing the position of the skillet. You don't have to put it all of the time on the center. You need to put it sometimes on the sides in order to the color to be even in all of the sides. Yeah, and the sugar syrup needs to be very hot, so I will heat it up. But I will put it like on a low heat because I still have time. And for the Kunafa cupcakes, I'm waiting for the oven. Now is nice and melted, and we have our syrup is really hot, and it's time to serve it, to flip it and serve it. I will use this plate in order to cover it 100%, then I have to flip it. I will flip it. Okay, I will flip it with you right now. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. The skillet is really hot. I'm so nervous. It's my first time. So, it's my first time together with you. 1, 2, 3. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Ta 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 ta. To put the sugar syrup. sugar syrup, and we are going to put the pistachio, and it will be ready to serve. We need to put over here.
I think Adam likes the chestnut.
Yeah. I will make all the forgotten chestnuts and everything for me. Okay, I think. It's nice.
بفكر فيك تبعد عني تنساني احتاجك جنبي تلعني نسيني جروحي واحزاني انا مشتاق لعليك